Hello, it's Malcolm with Torch here for Malcolm 3D, and this is vlog 5 for the Lights Canberra Action development. I'm tired. I haven't been going to bed before midnight. I actually think last night I went to bed about 11:30. I am keeping on top of my render times at the moment. I've got about a minute of footage, and it's now Tuesday morning. It's 20 past 12 in the morning. So I've got to do a bit of rendering. I have to re-render some of the stuff because it was a bit of a mistake. I put an object in the background as well, so have to render, and especially when I'm rendering at about a minute 20 for one of the frames. Well, most of the frames are about a minute 20, so it's rendering throughout the night, most of the day, and then when I come back home, just to work. So that's the goal at the moment. I am trying to finish this. What's motivating me though is that I've asked Jonathan from GameDevHQ, I've asked Joe from the Watchman reviews, and also Tina from Gadget Films to do some voiceover work for me, because I needed extra voices. This year I've gone a little bit more and gone, I'm not going to do all the voices as I've done for, not last year, the year before's winner of Adventurers of Adventurers. So I do not want to disappoint these people. Now, their channels are in the links, in the comments, in the information below. So yeah, please go check them out. This model here is part of, obviously, the film, the animation. So this is just a little time lapse of what I've been creating.